on the equity markets. The Nifty in today's trading session opened with a gap up and was trading in a sideways manner for the first half of the trading session. The second half of the trading session saw some selling pressure from higher levels, and the Nifty ultimately ended the day on a flat note, up 5 points for the day. The market breadth turned negative into the second half with 610 advances to 877 declines. From the Nifty 50 pack, we had HDFC Limited, ITC, Infosys, Bharti Airtel, ACC, Reliance, Ultratech, Cement, which closed in the positive today, while HDFC Bank, TCS, L&T, Dr. Reddy, HUL were the draggers in today's trading session. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that the Nifty has managed to close in the positive. However, it faced resistance at around 8840. Now 8840 is a 61.8% retracement level of the fall from the high. It is a 61.8% retracement level of this fall which we have seen from the highs of 8913 up till yesterday until yesterday's low of 8726. So that is the 61.8% retracement level comes to around 8840. And in today's trading session, we saw the Nifty face selling pressure exactly from that level, and thereafter continued to sell towards the end of the day. So 8840 becomes a crucial resistance in the very short term, and that should be used as even in the coming trading session we see a Nifty coming around that level, then that should be used as a stop loss for the short positions. Now moving on to the hourly charts, you can observe that after the sideways consolidation, the Nifty in the second half gave off and closed in the negative and closed on the day on a positive note. It has closed below the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages, and 8840 on the upside becomes the now crucial resistance for the shorts. On the Nifty, crucial resistances are placed at 8796, which is the 40-hour moving average, and 8840, which is the 61.8% retracement level. On the upside, on the downside, 8726, which is yesterday's low, and below that 8633, which is the 40-day moving average, are the next crucial supports. So we continue to maintain negative stance on Nifty for a target of 8550 on the downside. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty was the clear dragger in today's trading session. It has been closing in the negative for the fifth trading session in a row, consecutive fifth day. It has closed near the day's low, so indicating that the selling pressure in Bank Nifty is just not stopping, and we expect selling pressure to continue in Bank Nifty as well. On the downside, crucial supports are placed at 18,500 and 18,391. 18,500 is the 78.6% retracement of this rise which we have been seeing from the low. So that comes to around 18,500, and 18,391 is the 20-week moving average. So around this area we have crucial supports for Bank Nifty. On the upside, crucial resistances are placed at 18,922 and 19,070. So overall trends of view on the Nifty and Bank Nifty remain negative. Today 8840 was a level around which the Nifty started to sell off. We expect this selling pressure to continue in the coming trading sessions, and so hence we maintain a negative stance on Nifty for a target of 8550. That's all for the day. Thank you.